Treated honest review, watch before using. Treated is an online healthcare provider offering personalized treatment plan and consultation. They cater to various health concerns, including men's and women's health, weight management, and smoking cessation. The platform emphasizes convenience, allowing users to manage their health needs online. And here are the key features about this website. So one of the key features is personalized treatment plans, which tailored to individual health profile, and they give access to licensed healthcare professionals and also adjust pause or cancer treatment as needed. The medication delivery directly to the tested. And here's the pros and cons of this website. The pros is a user-friendly platform, also have a comprehensive care and a positive customer feedback. It is secure and confidential, which emphasizes patients' privacy and data protection. And on the con side, which is the downside of this platform, is the price. Some users find treatment to be on the higher side, and also lack of certain certifications like CIPA and a geographical limitation. Some services may not be available in all regions, which means some services are restricted in some area. And if you want more review, you can just simply go to review.io for more reviews about this website. And here's the final verdict about this website. Trusted.com stands out as a reliable online healthcare provider offering a personalized and convenient services. While the pricing may be consideration for some, the platform, comprehensive care, and positive customer feedback make it a variable option for those seeking online medical consultation treatment. I think this website is best and okay for people seeking medical consultation and treatment. Bye.